The Makita, the DEWALT, or WORX? Perhaps the CRAFTSMAN or the BOSCH? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 reciprocating saws available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best reciprocating saws. The 5th product on this list is the WORX Axis. Who doesn't want to accessorize their home, office, or favorite outdoor space with the beautiful and long-lasting wood designs? In this case, the new WORX Axis is perfect. With this fantastic tool, you can easily modify your wooden designs and have a stress-free working experience. This tool's most exciting and fascinating aspect is the ability to switch between the reciprocating saw and the jigsaw, allowing for easy pivoting and maintaining a fast rate in your day-to-day work. You will receive 4 different types of blades, including an aluminum, jigsaw, metal, and reciprocating blade. So there's no need to put off upgrading your favorite saw. You can simply take them out of the box and you're ready to go. The T-blades and tab tail blades are included in the basic package. These blades are both inexpensive and advantageous. Compared to competitors, they are consistently strong and efficient enough to cut compatible materials quickly. As a result, you can expect a lot from it. You can specifically adapt the cordless tool to any standard blade of any brand. Undoubtedly, it is a fantastic opportunity for economic buyers to obtain additional accessories from their local store or online shop. You can cut timber, aluminum, fiberglass, narrow steel, tree branches, metal, PVC tube, plastic, copper, and even tree roots with its 2-in-1 blades. This means you'll have a lot of options to choose from to get a good result in the end. Its pros are: it has an integrated blower that keeps dust and debris away from the surface of your cut. It only weighs 4.2 pounds, so you can maneuver easily, make intricate cuts, and work longer with less fatigue. And it's compatible with any standard reciprocating saw. However, it doesn't have the best battery life. You'll usually get around 40 minutes of use before needing to recharge it. The WORX Axis is a great low-cost tool for anyone who enjoys making wood crafts for home or small business use. Up next in 4th place is the BOSCH RS325. The first thing to consider when choosing a reciprocating saw is the type of project you plan on using it for. If you're going to be tackling large-scale demolition projects, you'll probably want to prioritize power and size over mobility. This is where BOSCH stands out the most. One of the biggest highlights of this product is that it has 12 amps of power at only 7 pounds, giving it the highest power to weight ratio. It allows you to easily, quickly, and comfortably cut through the toughest materials. With a length of only 17.8 inches, it is ideal for cutting in difficult positions, particularly overhead applications. This reciprocating saw also comes with a variable speed trigger, allowing for fixed speed adjustments for optimal cutting performance in various applications and materials. This saw is as easy to use as it is powerful, with a fixed foot and solid design that handles the most challenging applications without loosening or slowing down. On top of that, it has a soft ergonomic handle that keeps your grip secure and comfortable while cutting, and a tough blade holder system grips blades tightly for dependable performance and easy blade changes. It also includes the most durable blade holder system for reliable and long-lasting results. Its pros are: its ergonomic handle offers maximum comfort and gripping during cutting. It has a fixed foot that provides a robust and solid design for the toughest applications. And it offers fast cutting of all types of materials with an orbital action feature. However, its vibration control is relatively poor compared to other models. The BOSCH RS325 is a powerful tool designed to provide professional operation in extended applications. It's ideal for experts usually working on large-scale projects. Still haven't found a reciprocating saw that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the CRAFTSMAN V20. This is a cordless reciprocating saw with a powerful motor with a 1-inch stroke length for a speed of application. Its variable speed trigger provides optimal control over a variety of materials. Tool-free blade release makes for quick and effortless blade changes. Most users also prefer this device because of its compact size of 14.5 inches. It can fit between studs and allows for cutting in tight places. We also love the contoured over molded handle and grips that make using the product comfortable in all types of orientations. With this reciprocal saw, you will be able to get quick professional cuts and utilize the variable speed trigger of the 20-volt max reciprocating saw for 5 distinct cutting speeds. The smaller dimensions of this cordless reciprocal saw allow for work in tight spaces, and the 1-inch stroke length can cut rapidly through wood and metal. Moreover, its full variable speed trigger ranges from 0 to 3000 RPM for added control in a variety of materials. But that's not all. This tool is also compatible with the VersaTrack hang hook, making it a more versatile option for users. To top it all off, this saw comes with a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. Its pros are: it comes in a versatile design that makes it suitable for various applications, its tool-free blade release offers quick and easy blade changes, and it is equipped with a high-performance motor that makes it convenient to use on any project. However, its battery may not hold a charge for long. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is an absolute must-have if you enjoy doing projects like remodeling or renovating parts of your home. The second product on this list is the Makita JR3051T. Are you a DIY expert and a homeowner? An excellent corded reciprocating saw just like the Makita is an essential tool to have at your disposal. This saw is a great tool for home improvement projects such as house redesign, repair, material cutting, and so on. It is also useful for construction and demolition. This reciprocating saw provides superior power and performance while producing less vibration. It is powered by a 12-amp motor with electronic speed control to keep the speed constant under load. It also has a long 1/3/16" stroke for faster cutting and a variable speed trigger to match the saw's speed to the application. What's more, this tool has a rugged body design that keeps dust and debris away from the motor, as well as rubber and felt seals that keep dust and water out for longer tool life. What's more, this tool weighs 7.3 pounds and has a toolless blade change. It's a powerful and versatile reciprocating saw designed for demolition, metal cutting, wood cutting, drywall and plaster, plastics, and remodeling. It's ideal for builders, roofers, metal fabricators, remodelers, and general contractors looking for a top-of-the-line industrial reciprocating saw. Its pros are: its variable speed trigger offers precise cutting in a wide variety of applications. It's built with sturdy materials and durable protective rubber designs that guarantee the device will last for a long time to come. And the 12-amp motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute for more efficient cutting. However, it has no orbital action setting, which limits its use in some circumstances. The Makita JR3051T is the best choice if you're looking for a lightweight, compact reciprocating saw with a solid cutting speed in all materials. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top reciprocating saw is the DEWALT DWE305. Corded tools age more gracefully than cordless models as they don't have batteries that degrade over time and can always perform at maximum power. The DEWALT 12-amp reciprocating saw is one of the top 10 sellers of all time, and for a good reason. It's one of the only models to include a 4-position blade lock system, and it supports a unique shoe design. This reciprocating saw has a 2900 stroke per minute no load speed and a 1 1/8" stroke length. What's more, this tool has a variable speed trigger in addition to a powerful engine, which allows you to control the cutting speed depending on the type of activity. The two functions work together to enable you to manage the various sizes of projects quickly and efficiently. Most users also prefer this model over others because of its ergonomically designed rubber handle that prevents unnecessary vibrations that can hurt or fatigue your hands. The rubberized handle also provides a firm and secure grip so you can efficiently work in different positions while using it. To top it all off, this reciprocating saw has a square saw blade clamp which offers the flexibility necessary to cut numerous items. It is also available with a 10-piece blade set for a little extra cost, so you don't need to break the bank buying accessories for it. Overall, this is the most reliable and user-friendly unit on the market today, and well suited to contractors and DIYers alike. Its pros are: it has a powerful 12-amp motor that operates at 2900 strokes per minute and is designed for heavy-duty applications. Its 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting and increased versatility. Its keyless lever action blade clamp is essential for quick and easy blade changes, and its variable speed trigger allows the user to instantly control the speed. However, its unique shoe design can reduce visibility from some angles. The DEWALT DWE305 is a compact and versatile reciprocating saw recommended for those taking on large-scale construction projects. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.